for Thanksgiving?
Long and dry. Dry.
Long and dry.
It's too long. It's so dry. It's gross.
All right. All right. So the main reason why it's dry is because it's overcooked.
Yeah.
All right. So one of the techniques that I like to do, which is very easy. It sounds like it's difficult, but it's very easy. And that to make your turkey perfect is to brine your turkey. Brine your turkey. Brine. Do you know what that is?
Yes.
All right. So that's your first step. So what it is? So brine is a solution of salt and water, and you can add a bit of sugar to it as well. And you can add some spices. You can add some fresh thyme and garlic and ginger, just to give it that extra flavor. And you should brine your turkey for no more than 12 hours. All right. So what that does, the salt from the brine penetrates the pores of the turkey, and it starts to tenderize the protein in the meat. All right. So when you brine your turkey for 12 hours, then you take your turkey out. Right. Turkey, you don't season it too much because it has very mild flavor, so you don't want to you want to keep it very clean. All right, so what I like to do is to create this very easy technique where I make a herb butter. So you get room temperature butter, you get fresh sage, I love sage, sage, fresh thyme, and chopped garlic. All right, so you mix your sage, thyme, chopped garlic into your room temperature butter, meaning it's soft, right? And you get your turkey, so you take your fingers and you push it under the skin and you butter that turkey up. A butterball, that's the reason I call it a butterball turkey. Just so you know. That's the reason you got to put butter on your turkey. That would ensure that when it's called larding in cooking. So you put fat on the meat. Alright, so you butter your turkey up under the skin, all over, in between. And then, if you want to make your stuffing a bit more creative and a bit more flavorful, you take roasted vegetables. So you can roast your carrots, your onions, and your celery. Right, that's very easily. So you get your carrots, you peel it, you get your onions, same thing, salt, pepper, oil, and you blast it for like, at 450 for like 15 minutes, so it's really charred. So when you get those charred bits, you chop it up, and you fold that into your bread stuffing with your vegetable stock or chicken stock, and that will give you a level of flavor and texture in your stuffing. That's like wow, and it's going to be very healthy as well. All right, so you got to try to balance eating very, you're eating a lot of those rich food, but you got to find a way to put your vegetable in it as well. So that's one of the ways for your stuffing and your turkey. All right, if you do that, I guarantee you'll have a fantastic Thanksgiving meal. All right. Cool. Any questions, you guys good? Chef Ari is coming up shortly. All right, see you guys.